Hello, today we're gonna change a iPhone 13 mini screen. We have a brand new screen here. We have to remove it from this one. So let's start with removing the small screws here. There's one, there's two. Now we need to heat a little bit the screen before we start removing it. Okay, after you heat it a little bit, you put like a razor and you get it inside a little bit here. You get another one. Remember that the connector is from this side, not from this side like the old one. So you just go like this. Okay, go around. Okay, just try to remove it a little bit, push it down. Okay, a little bit up. All right, it's out. So now we have to remove, looks like this been changed before. We have to remove the screws here for top speaker. There's one more here. And the camera. Looks like a no regular one. Actually, first time I changed a 13 mini screen. Alright. Okay, remove the battery first. I'll remove the screen. And remove the camera. So now we have the screen here. So next we need to remove this part here to put it on the new screen. There is like 3 screws here. Boom, that's one. And 2 screws. And 3. Boom. After you remove it, now we're gonna heat it so we can remove it so we don't damage it. Let's heat like for a second. Okay, after we heating it, we get like a plastic remover. And we start going little by little, slowly. We don't want to break it. Slowly, very slowly. Keep going slowly. All right, we are almost there. We remove this and that's it. This is the part. Now we bring the new screen and we put it the same way it was on the old screen. This one here, and we glue it here. That's it. We put back the tray on top. right. First screw is in, second screw is in, and third screw is in. Okay, now we can connect it again. So we do the first connector here for the top sensor and the speaker, and the second one here. You have to feel it, don't try to push it. I cannot feel it. I need to remove this part. Okay, good. Now I can do it easy. I go like left, right. All right, you see, now I felt it. Now we put back the battery. Now we try it. Let's see if it's working. 1, 2, 3, boom. Looks like. Looks like it's working. Boom. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. All you have to do, put back the trays and put it back. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.